guys, you can see that it looks different because I just moved to somewhere else. Because I went to the bigger house, so we got to here. But I'm showing you all my box. Oh, inside the amber light. Oh, that's what's inside. This is my background amber light. That's the amber light here. This is amber light. And then now I'm gonna show you my washing machine collection. So this is actually not a washing machine, but it's a dishwasher. So I'm gonna it does that. So you can even we have my delivery box washing machine. This is a blue one. Now we have that microwave. This is also a microwave, just like that one. I don't have the iPad properly. I'll sit down and show it to you. So, yeah. This is the microwave. Okay. Now my 4 washing machines left. This is mine. I'm not sure this is for, but I'm guessing that here is another washing machine which I covered too. The one. Okay. Jeez. Now I have my pink washing machine. I'm not sure this is probably Mimi's favorite color. Yeah, here. I don't know how to control it, but my 2 last washing machines are Armenia and Bosch. Not Armenia, but we have Ariel washing machine. I know it's probably too big to fit. Does it fit? That's too big, so I will show you like actually. Yeah, here. This is a Ariel washing machine. Okay, now I have my Bosch washing machine. Okay, bye-bye.